Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel Manifest with Kavita. I'm Dr. Kavita Kumar, and today on Spiritful Saturday, I wanted to share with you one simple habit that can help you not only get a sound sleep at night, but also to help you wake up energized and a peaceful mind in the morning. So, this is something that I practice every night. So, before you go to bed, you should say a gratitude, you should say a prayers if you have any, which I practice as well. And I practice gratitude throughout the day. You guys know I'm already doing a series of gratitude on this channel as well. But that being set aside, at the end of the day, you should take a pen and paper. Write down all the things that you want to achieve in the next day, or I'm not saying long-term goals, but just something that you want to achieve the next day, in the week, in the month, some few things, but something concrete for the next day. And you'll be like, oh, I need to finish this. How many of you have ever felt that, oh God, I have to finish this tomorrow, there is a strict deadline, I have to finish it, and blah blah blah, and you would just really want to find that motivation. So to find the motivation to do it the next day, you prepare for it the previous night. So write those things down, and then once you've written it, I know it is kind of, oh, I have to get this done, to shifting from that energy to another thought, that take something that makes you feel full of love, makes you feel happy, makes you feel blissful. It could be a picture of your loved one, your kid, a movie that you love to watch, something, just a brief moment, a clip of a movie which makes you always brings back a big smile on your face, anything like that makes you fill with that love and peace energy. Look at that for a minute. When you feel that, then look at the task that you need to do. Look at that and try to feel that same energy towards that task. Again, switch back to the picture, the clip, or something that makes you feel loved. Again, bring in that energy, build that energy in you. Look at your task again, build the energy, look at the task again, and in no time you'll see that task that you had in mind, oh, I need to get done, you will start feeling the same love and warmth in this energy as well. So what you need to do, just with that energy, go to sleep, and the next morning when you look at the task, you will build that same energy that you built last night. Your mind triggers back that same feeling when you look at that task now, that same love, that same bliss, that feeling in you when you want to start that task. So what happens is you perform the task with much more brighter energy, and you will accomplish those tasks or goals, whatever you have written down, with a happy and high spirit. You would never ever feel, oh, this is weighing me down. Like, you would never have that feeling in you. This is something that can help shift any big task in your life, big or small, but making it more happier, more peaceful, more blissful, and keeping you in that state throughout the day. And the reason why this is because your brain doesn't know the difference between good and bad. Your mind cannot differentiate between good and bad. What you feed it is the same feeling that it recreates for you. So now if you sleep with the feeling of, oh, I need to do it, versus, oh yes, now I need to do it tomorrow, I know I can do it, the mind will trigger those feelings back, and you will start to see that your work becomes much more easier, because we all are energy and we attract energies that make us make things easier in our life. So rather than, if you've noticed, like giving you an example, if you've noticed, start your day with a smile, walk on the street, give a smile to a stranger. If the person smiles back, you smile even bigger, don't you? Try it and see. If a random stranger smiles at you and gives you good wishes for the day, you feel happy. If the person doesn't, continue to be doing that. You would see that you are building and surrounding yourself with that happy energy through the day. That person who didn't smile back at you would be wondering, why did this person smile? But probably as the person walks along, smiles throughout the day and sees that more smiles and come to you. Like if you're grumpy, you're angry all the time, how many people want to work with you, talk to you? Nobody would. If you're smiling, you're happy, you have only love to give, people will come to you naturally. Or things become easier for you because you don't see problems, you see solutions. Your mind is in finding solutions for you in any big and small task. So try this little habit, try to inculcate this little habit into your daily routine at night time and see how the day changes for you, because you prepped your mind, you prepped yourself at night before going to bed. You can practice this 5 minutes, 10 minutes, as long as you want to, as long as you can fill yourself with that love energy. Continue doing it and you will see how your day changes. So with that, guys, I hope I left you guys with a spiritual thought for Saturday, and I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, and make sure to continue to be inspired and get inspired along with me on this journey. And hey, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button as well, because I come back with such videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, and you don't want to miss it. Until then, guys, love and light.